Let's make cottage cheese protein bread, a super healthy loaf that keeps you full for hours and is easy to make. Start by mixing the wet ingredients and powders. Gradually add the oats, stir until the mixture thickens and the oats are fully incorporated. Accurate measurements aren't needed. If the batter is too thin, just add more oats. If it's too thick, add a splash of cultured milk. Once the dough is ready, transfer it to a loaf pan and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for around 40 minutes. Let the bread cool down after taking it out of the oven. It'll be easier to slice that way. You can eat it as is with a glass of milk on the side or add some cold cuts or your favorite spread.